this is arena. So in this arena we have this yellow color zone is a manual zone, and this red color zone is autonomous zone, blue color zone, uh, transducer zone, and this
Intrusive transfer.
green color zone is intruder transfer zone, and there is a black surface with white tracks called autonomous a moving zone. So this black surface with white tracks. This white track is 30 mm width. This white track is 30 mm width, and the each and every block is in the size with the dimensions 270 by 270, and here is the manual zone dimensions are 400 mm by 400 mm. So now I am placing manual boat in a manual zone.
Explain about the blocks in manual.
Yeah, in this manual boat we have a, so this is a manual boat. Here we have a power supply, and here we have a L293D, two L293D, and this is a microcontroller based on Atmega 16, and these are the two batteries, 9 volts batteries. So it will, the input power supply is 18 volts. The combination of two batteries, 9 volt batteries, total 18 volts input to the power supply. So and in this power supply we have 12 volts voltage regulator and 5 volts voltage regulator. Here 5 volts here 5 volts voltage regulator will power supply we gives to the microcontroller. So this 5 volts microcontroller can operate on 5 volts, and here 12 volts voltage regulator is useful to control the motors, DC gate motors. So this 12 volts input will goes to the L29 3D, and this L29 3D is an IC which controls the DC gate motors. So now I am giving a power supply to her. So I'm giving a power supply.
Show me the switches first.
Yeah, this is a switchboard. So by using this switchboard we can control this manual board. So this switch is indication for left, and this switch is indication for forward direction, and this switch indication for right, and this switch is indication for backward. So now I am controlling the manual boat. Just a minute. It is moving in a forward direction. So I'm pressing right side. I'm moving right side. So it is moving in a backward. So I'm pressing right side. I'm moving right side. It is moving in the right side. So again I am moving in a backward. Again I am moving in the right side. It is moving in the right side. So it is moving in the forward direction. It is moving in a forward direction. So again it is coming in the backward. Again I am moving in the left side, right. So it is turning in the left side. It is coming in the backward. It is coming in a backward direction. Again I am placing in a manual zone.
Now it is
Yeah, next. So I am placing.
please remove the power supply.
So I am giving removing the power supply to manual board. Next I am placing autonomous board in a autonomous landing zone by manually. So this is an autonomous board. So in this we have a power supply in this autonomous board. So we have power supply, and we have it to this is a three-wheeled boat. So these two are DC controlled wheels, and here we have a power supply, and this is a microcontroller based on a ARM Atmega 16, and this is an arm, so which is used to pick and place the object in on anywhere. So here this is a power supply. Again in this power supply we have two voltage regulators. One voltage regulator is 5 volts and one more is 12 volts. This 5 volts will controls the microcontroller, will gives the input to the microcontroller, and this 12 volts will gives to the input to the L293D IC, and that IC will controls the motors, DC motors, and here microcontroller will control all these DC motors and this arm. See, we'll see the sensor circuits and DC motors. So here this is a sensor circuit here. So it sends and it sends the it will move in a forward, or it will move in a backward, or it will move in a left, or it will move in a right. So it will sense the it will move in a forward direction when it senses a white surface. When it senses a black surface, it will stop. So when it senses a white surface, it will move in a forward, or it will move in a left, or it will move in a right. So those all the operations will be in autonomous. So microcontroller will control all these. Microcontroller can control all these operations, and will observe. So we'll observe when we give a power supply, so how it will move and all. And here, so this is a castrol wheel. So it will this is useful to move in a forward or left or right or back. So this is a temporary castrol wheel. This is a L293D DIC, which is used to control these two DC gate motors, and will give a power supply and will observe the movement of the autonomous robot. I'm landing autonomous robot in the autonomous landing zone. So I'm giving a power supply to this autonomous boat. Now it is sensing a white surface and it is moving in the forward direction. It is sensing a white surface and it is moving in the forward direction. And it is sensing a black, and when it is sense a black, it is rotating in the left side. And again it is moving in the left side and it is moving in the forward direction. Okay, and we'll observe next. We'll observe the
Go to object picking.
so next we'll observe the object picking and picking with the
Take one battery. Take one battery. Remove all the power supply connections to that. First remove all the connections.